Today let's look at two of the most common drawing materials that are available for the visual artist and are relatively inexpensive, so a great starting point with drawing. And we will compare the two, pencil versus charcoal. Pencils are made up of graphite encased in wood, and they come in a range of tones from 7H. The H end of the scale is mixed with clay, which makes them a harder pencil, less smudging, easier to sharpen, used for really clean lines like in architecture. Right down to the B end of the scale, which is more graphite, less clay, smudging ability, and softer. A pencil is a good all-round drawing material. It's portable and it's easy to use. If you've got a pencil and a visual diary, then you're on your way to many hours of drawing pleasure. It's less messy than charcoal, and it gives you that immediate tactile drawing material to work with that gives you fine detail. One of the best pencils that I use is a Blackwing, and I've done a review on Blackwing pencils that will give you all the reasons why it is the best pencil, or one of the best pencils, for your art kit. Pencils are one of the most inexpensive drawing tools, and learning to draw is one of the best things that you can do for yourself as an artist. One of the problems that I do find with graphite is if you lay down a lot of graphite, heavy, it develops a shine. On the paper. So when someone's moving around looking at your drawing, it will shine with the light. One way of getting around this is to actually grind some graphite dust and rub that gently into the paper, and you will find that it doesn't shine as much as when you're putting graphite down directly onto the paper. But you cannot really get graphite to go as dark as you can with charcoal. If you want really intense blacks with no shine, charcoal is the material that you need to use. So that is really the major difference between pencil and charcoal. There will always be a place for one or the other, but if you want intense blacks with good smudging and blending ability, charcoal is the one to choose. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about drawing papers, leave it in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them for you.